College Incorporated, San Isidro Pili, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 36, Bicol Sanchal Academy, Libud 1, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff. Troop Commander, John Robert Crispino. Troop S1 Personnel Officer, Jemar Tapalya. Troop S2 Intelligence Officer, Timothy Moratalia. Troop S3, Princess Maria Lane Aricio. Troop S4, Sian M.S. Rafael Bambilya. Major Leader, Shane Justine Pisigan. DXMC Leader, John Joshua Hoben. MAPI Company Commander, John Russell Moscoso. MAPI Company XO, Nathaniel Nolias. First Platoon Leader, Boys, John Jobert Januario. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Bernice Milina Salvio. School Head, Alexander James D. Haushan. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Sandy Nosedal. Majors Coordinator, Kevin Lompero. DXMC-DLC Coordinator, Jennifer Pabricante. Mark Oronin David, Major Trainer. Raymark de la Cruz, DLC Trainer. 10th Howell Santelices, Assistant Commandant. NC number 36, Bicol Sanchal Academy, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 36, Bicol Sanchal Academy, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Next.